Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the presentation session. And as usual, we will have the ZEDs in order. Now I call upon ZED Mumbai team to give your presentation. Then after your presentation, Dr. Aloka Madam will give her views. Over to the team of ZED Mumbai Group.
जी नमस्ते सर, मैं सुनील कुमार मुंबई रीजन के तरफ से ग्रुप वर्क लेके प्रस्तुत हूं।
Sir, your screen is visible. Continue.
जी, मेरा पहला प्रॉब्लम टाइप ज्वाइन है, जिसका मैंने क्वेश्चन जो चुना है वो पहला है, स्वयं हैड 6 बुक्स, हिज फादर गेव हिम 4 बुक्स, हाउ मेनी बुक्स डज ही हैज नाउ? एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज देयर आर 31 cranes in lake, 39 more cranes came after some time. Find out how many cranes are there in all now. In first question, Swam had 6 books. His father gave him 4 books. How many books does he has now? तो टोटल इनमें क्वेश्चन के टाइप में रिजल्ट अननोन है, और सेकंड में भी हाउ मेनी क्रेन्स आर देयर इन ऑल नाउ, तो रिजल्ट अननोन है। इसलिए ये क्वेश्चन मेरा प्रॉब्लम टाइप में रिजल्ट अननोन में है। सेकंड, माय थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज रफी हैड 50 candles, he has to make a box of 14 candles, how many more candles are required? तो क्वेश्चन टाइप चेंज अननोन में ये आएगा, क्योंकि हमारे पास 15 कैंडल हैं, 15 कैंडल्स हैं, और बॉक्स बनाना है, टू मेक ए बॉक्स 14 कैंडल्स, तो रेस्ट इसमें कितना कैंडल आएगा, इसलिए इसको चेंज नॉलेज में रखे हैं। एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज निशा हैड सम बैंगल्स, सुखी गेव हर 5 मोर बैंगल्स, नाउ शी हैज 20 बैंगल्स, हाउ मेनी बैंगल्स डिड निशा गेव हैव इन बिगनिंग? प्रश्न यहां है कि निशा है सम बैंगल, तो स्टार्ट अननोन है, इसीलिए ये टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी स्टार्ट अननोन में होगा। मेरा नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन, बाबू हैड 5 पेबल्स, ही लॉस्ट 2 पेबल्स, हाउ मेनी पेबल्स आर लेफ्ट विथ हिम एट द एंड?
सुनील कुमार सर, मैं 1 मिनट आपको डिस्टर्ब करूं?
जरूर जरूर।
You are going to show 11 problems of your own, so everybody in your group is going to show 11 problems, or all of you together? This is for you, all of you together.
All of together.
All of us.
Also, I also want later on. I would also like to know the 50 problems together, like analysis of how many of different types, because these you made later, right, after the session, or these were the original. These were all the original 5 problems of your entire group. सर, मेरा सवाल ये है कि मैंने जो पहले 5 बनाने को बोले थे प्रेजेंटेशन के पहले, उनमें से ये प्रॉब्लम्स है या आप लोगों ने नए से बनाए?
नए से बनाए।
हाँ, तो मुझे पुराने प्रॉब्लम्स में भी थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस कितने किस टाइप के थे, अगर आप बता पाओगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, बट ये आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। थैंक यू।
Babu had 5 pebbles, he lost 2 pebbles, how many pebbles are left with him at the end? Second question is, Prachi had 18 apples, he gave 10 apples to Sunita, how many apples are left with Prachi. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हाउ मेनी और लेफ्ट, जिसके कारण रिजल्ट अननोन, और प्राची में भी हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स आर लेफ्ट, सो रिजल्ट इज अननोन. नेक्स्ट, Daljit had 35 marbles. He gave some marbles to Arvind and he is left with 10 marbles. Then how many marbles did Daljit give to Arvind? तो gave some marbles के कारण ये चेंज अननोन है. Daljit had some marbles. He gave 15 marbles to Arvind and he is left with 10 marbles. Question है कि some marbles, Daljit had some marbles. Start is unknown. Part and holes का क्वेश्चन है. There are 7 marigold flower and 5 rose flower in a bouquet. How many flowers are there in the bouquet? Next has Sahni found 130 pebbles. Kareem found 14 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? Whole is unknown. Next question is Sakshi had 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruit. How many fruit are left with her? तो left with her के कारण ये पार्ट अननोन है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा कंपेयर. ये ट्रेन कंपार्टमेंट B1 इज कैरिंग
सुनील कुमार सर आप पीछे जा, सुनील कुमार सर आप जरा पीछे जाएंगे
जी.
पहले वाले प्रॉब्लम पे.
जी जी
इसके पहले जो था वो.
जी जी
सॉरी.
कौन सा?
यही है सर, यही है मैडम.
ये नहीं वो जो कुछ खाया ना उसने फ्रूट्स, साक्षी ने फ्रूट्स खाए.
साक्षी had 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruit. How many fruit are left with her?
The Mumbai group is saying that this is a part whole problem. Anybody has anything to say?
This is separate result unknown.
Not part whole. Cannot be a part whole. Separate
this is part whole. That's what Balakrishna sir is saying. But somebody said this is separate.
It is not, madam. It is not part whole.
Okay, it's not part. Sorry, I'm sorry.
It should be separate unknown.
Yes, it is separate and result unknown.
Result unknown.
Right. Because you are removing the fruits, sir.
जी, removing the fruit.
Okay. ठीक है, आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
जी. और a train compartment B2 has 129 passenger. Another train compartment B1 has 5 more passengers. Then how many passengers are in B1 compartment? So the question compared set unknown. Or there are 261 passengers in 2 compartments B1 and B2. If B1 has 132 passengers, then how many passengers are there in the compartment B2? So reference set 2 compartment. G.
Anybody wants to make a comment about this? Is this a compare problem? Somebody saying something. Is this a compare problem?
Ma'am, it's part.
Great problem.
Huh?
It's part problem, I guess, ma'am.
Yes, Ankit sir, is that Ankit sir?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
part whole,
Ankit,
madam.
ma'am.
261 whole and this B1 only one is given. It's part whole.
Right, this is part whole. No, you have B1, B2 total, and one part is given, the other part has to be found.
So part unknown.
There is, yeah, you're not comparing how many more this. Yes, yeah, it is part unknown.
लेकिन
Right.
B1 और B2 कंपार्टमेंट में भी तो कंपेयर है ना?
कहाँ है? B1 में B2 से कितने ज्यादा है? ऐसे कहाँ लिखा है? कंपेयर तो ऐसे होता है ना?
Yes. How many there are in all? More than रहता तो हो जाता है.
हाँ,
सही.
मतलब ऐसा होता कि B1 has 132
Yes.
and B2 has
सही,
50
सही,
more than
सही.
B1.
सही
हाँ.
सही. मोर देन अगर उसमें रहता तो ये डिफरेंस सेट आ जाता.
हाँ, नहीं कोई बात नहीं. I mean, I think this is a good plan. Like, you know, all of us can discuss this, right?
जी.
Where we can. It's a good idea to look at problems like that. So yeah, sir, you can proceed. It's Sunil Kumar, sir.
तो टोटल यही है 14 क्वेश्चन हमारे पास जो है.
हाँ, तो आपको ये थोड़े से करेक्शंस करने पड़ेंगे आपके ग्रुप को. मतलब आप जब मास्टर ट्रेनर के लिए जाओगे तो आपकी जब रेडी रखना है तो आपको थोड़ा सा चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे. बट अदरवाइज या
थैंक यू मैडम.
आप सुनील कुमार सर, आर यू डन और स्ट्रैटेजीज के ऊपर डिस्कशन करना है?
Mumbai, Z Mumbai. Any other presentation from Z Mumbai group?
नो सर, completed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so,
Madam, I think you can,
so then I have some questions.
if you want him to show the PPT once again and then you can discuss, madam. Sir, make it presentation and then show it, sir, please. So that it will be visible to all.
Sunil sir, present once again.
Mr. Sunil Kumar, please present it once again.
Yes. जी सर. जी.
Mr. Sunil Kumar, please present the presentation once again.
जी. जी.
Okay, sir. Is it the question number 1?
Problem
Sir, why
type.
do you want to see the whole presentation again?
No, madam, if you want to discuss any question, then you can ask him to show it.
No, I'm fine. I mean, I wanted to say something else to the group.
Okay, madam. Okay, you please continue.
So, this is for Mumbai. Between the 10 of you, you had 50 problems, right? I wanted to know, did you look at the table and see how many types of what problems have you made? Is my question clear? आपके जो problems हैं, वो 11 टाइप के, उन 11 में से कितने ऐसा कोई था कि जो कवर ही नहीं हुआ था आपके 50 प्रॉब्लम्स में से? और अगर आपने चेक नहीं किया तो आई सजेस्ट दैट
Madam, I am from Mumbai, Ranjit. See, most of the problems were of joint type, ma'am. What problems we have prepared, no? Most of the problems were they were totally similar and they were of a joint nature. Result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. And start unknown were very few. Result unknown and change unknown problems we had more. Means earlier, as you told us to write 5 questions, we have written and they were of same nature.
So actually, that was my point. My point was to bring that out, that we kind of make the same problems again and again.
Yes, ma'am.
But if we are conscious of the types, then I think we will start making a more variety of problems. So
yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sir. Sir, continue.
No, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. Please you continue. Then afterwards, I'll speak, ma'am.
No. I was just saying that for all the groups, it would be nice if you make a comment like the way Ranjit sir did about the questions that people made. It would be nice for all of us to also realize that we are doing that. So I want everybody to do an analysis of the 50 problems and say whatever Ranjit sir said, something of that like. Fine. Thanks a lot. It was Ranjit sir who said that, right?
Yes, ma'am. And after your session only, we realized that for the creation of the problems with multi-types, we can say that after your session only, we have understood that we have to take care of this thing and we have to prepare the problems as in your activity, as we were supposed to write 5 questions at first. Unknowingly means we all have prepared the same type of problems only, and now we are fully aware of the multi-types problems. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So we can continue to Mysore.
Okay, now sir, please stop your presentation. Okay, thank you, Z@, Mumbai team. Then we were move on to the Z@, Mysuru team. Are you ready? Z@, Mysuru.
Just 1 minute, sorry, sir, I forgot. You did not talk about student strategies. Did you have time to discuss it? I mean, it's okay if you don't, because somebody else will. But about how to solve and how, like just imagining how children would solve the problems.
Okay, I think you can discuss it with the Z@, Mumbai group, madam. We'll just call them back.
No. They can think about it. I don't want them to present. It's fine. I mean, they are teachers. They know strategies better than me. So
Okay,
I'm just saying that think about it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, and the other groups can maybe do it.
Okay, then good. Z@, Mysuru group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam, please continue.
So shall I share my slide?
Yes, madam, please.
So as the first assignment was to sort out the 5 questions. Five problems in the table we made and is presented here. So like this we all have made, but this is a sample one. Hello?
Yes, madam, please continue.
Yeah, I
So
can hear you. I was just muted, yeah.
Yes, so the 5 questions, madam, are arranged like this. So the first set is Sita had 7 laddus. How many more laddus has to be added to make a packet of 15 laddus? It comes under joint change unknown.
Yeah.
And second one is Raju has 10 pencils. He gave 2 pencils to his friend. How many pencils are left with him? This comes under separate result unknown.
Yes.
And the third one is Ram purchased some balloons and he lost 5 of them. Now he has 15 balloons. How many balloons were there in the beginning? That comes under separate start unknown. And fourth one is Reena has 5 toffees and Raji has 3 toffees. How many toffees are there in all? That comes under part whole unknown. And the fifth one is Kashi and Kalyani are friends. Kashi got 25 marks in maths, which is 6 more than Kalyani's mark. How many marks did Kalyani get?
Okay.
So this comes under compare unknown.
So all of you have this now, the way you have made. These are your problems.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't think we have time to see everybody's.
Yes.
But this is
So
very nice. And this is something that I had in mind.
Yes, so we made a sample one. So just for this.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying that. Can you give me some numbers? Like how many of different kinds were there and things like that? Can you say something about that?
We made at least we could sort only at least 8 or 9 types, and part whole and compare. I think we had some shortage of questions. That's all.
Okay. So those are the difficult ones, na? Part, whole, and compare. I mean, we don't look at them as addition, subtraction. I mean, consciously we don't look at them as addition, subtraction. That is why I think we don't add. Yeah, fine. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. BG ma'am, is that what your name is?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, BG.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else you want to present?
Other presentation?
Yeah, another presentation from our group.
The second part of the assignment. Look at from the textbooks, we have picked up problems for each type. From class 1 textbook, the first question is, the first type is join type question, the result unknown. 2 cows, 1 cow equal to how many cows? And the second type was join change unknown. There were 3 children and some children were there. Together they were equal to 5 children. So how many children are there? This is joining but change unknown. And then join start unknown. Initially there were some flowers and then 2 flowers were added together. They'll get 7 flowers. So the start was unknown. And then the difference, result unknown, separating. Sakshi has 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruits. How many fruits are left? So finding the result, result unknown. It was separate or difference, result unknown. And then here, it's a separate question. 63 minus dash is equal to 43. The difference unknown. It's a question from the class 2 textbook. Similarly, the start unknown question from separate, something minus 1 is equal to 1. So the start was not known. It was taken from class 2 textbook.
Arundhati ma'am, just go back to the page. So I just want, so you're saying that this dash minus 1 is equal to 1 is a separate problem with start unknown?
Yes.
Does anybody have any comments to make about this? Ma'am, just go back.
Okay.
I want to comment, madam.
Yeah, please. Who is? Can you
Hello?
just? Okay. Yeah, Bhushan sir. Go ahead. Yeah. Ha, Bhushan sir. Go ahead. Who is saying I want to comment? Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible?
The problems while sorting out the problems, madam. We are sorting out the problems, but we have forgotten that we are not giving them the context. And the child may say, why should I do it?
What, Bhushan sir? I didn't get it.
Sir, please repeat.
Child may.
Sir, if this is a general problem, general question, we'll do it at the end of the presentation. Is that okay? I mean, we'll complete
yes,
everybody's presentations. Is that okay, sir? No,
ma'am, what you want to say? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, am I audible also?
Yeah.
Am I audible, madam?
No, your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello. Hello, madam.
Sir, you can type in instead. That might be better. Achha, can anybody tell me if they can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
So the problem is on his end, is it?
Yeah. And what he wants to say, what Bhushan sir wants to say, this that box plus 26 is equal to 70. He wants that this question should have some context.
Yeah.
Yes.
I completely and totally agree with you. Yeah, Arundhati ma'am.
Sir, our point is that this is from the textbook. The child has to do, because the question assignment was also given like that, to find out from the textbook some questions. So that is why we took these. From the textbook, we are finding.
Yeah, I think in the textbooks also, when there are numbers, maybe one can try to put them into story problems and then ask them. But my question is something else to the Mesuru group. So this particular problem, you saying box minus 1 is equal to 1. You are saying that is separate problems, start unknown. Is that correct? Arundhati ma'am?
Yes, we felt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we felt so.
You're sure, right? That's separate.
It's since it is subtraction.
Okay, so anybody wants to make a comment about this part that box minus is? Yes, Seema ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not clear. Ki start unknown. Why the start is unknown? Here the start is known. The Sakshi is having 23 fruits.
Not Sakshi.
Now
the box minus 1 is equal to 1.
This question.
That is, madam, joint type, madam. Joint type start unknown, madam. That one.
It's also
S
not
plus
unknown.
26 is equal to 75. It is joint type.
Right.
And here start is unknown.
Yeah. No. We are talking about the box minus 1 is equal to box minus 1 is equal to 1. I'm saying that, are you sure it is always a separate problem? Can it be, say, a whole unknown?
It can be. It depends on how the child is using the strategy.
Or it depends on how you question, make a question. For example, I can say that some children went to the market. I don't know. Some children went to the market. No, I don't know. Maybe not. You're right. I think this is a separate question.
Madam, because we are using it under difference, madam. So
Yeah, you're using it under difference. I am saying that. Can it be a compare problem?
Start unknown, it comes under start unknown.
Can it be a compare problem where I say that Rashmi has some pencils and Salman has one pencil and Rashmi has one pencil more than Salman? How are you going to write that?
Yeah, madam. Yeah, it comes under start unknown.
Please repeat. Rashmi has one pencil. Salman.
Rashmi has some pencils. And Salman has one pencil and Rashmi has one pencil more than Salman.
Comes under compare.
It can be. I'm saying that this box minus 1 is equal to 1. We can't really say which type unless we have the word problem for it. That's all I'm saying.
Correct, madam.
Okay.
What we
I'm
found, ma'am, I am also from Mysuru group. I'll just add one sentence.
Yeah.
This was the question, that is separate start unknown was the question. We were searching class 1, class 2, class 3 books. We were concentrating on class 1 and 2 because it is foundational numeracy. But this was the question which was very difficult for us to identify. We couldn't find. That is the reason we ultimately taken this question.
Yeah, we are forced to take
no
this.
problems. But that is also one point to make, that maybe our textbooks are also not covering all types.
That is true. We couldn't find. We searched, but we couldn't get.
We spent a lot of time in finding such questions.
But it's nice, no? I mean, we don't look at the textbooks like that critically at all.
Yeah. In class 1 and 2, we focused and we couldn't get.
That's fine. Class 1 and 2 is fine with me. So this is a good point also to make. That
today we realized
some types are getting ignored.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Yeah, you can continue. Sorry.
And now, from the class 2 textbook, we took 2 questions. One is, Nisha has 32 bangles, Sukhi has 16 bangles. How many more bangles does Nisha have? It's a compare type in which difference is unknown.
Right.
And then Daljit has 35 marbles, Arvind has 25 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? It is a part question where whole is unknown.
Absolutely.
And then we took got a question in which many types of questions were discussed.
Yeah.
This is a situation in which the first question, how many gray sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? It's a joint type of question in which result was not known. Result unjoined, result unknown. But the second question, did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? It's a comparison type with both sets not known, in which the reference set and the result set both were not known. It's a comparison. Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days?
Okay.
And
can I say something, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Yeah. 2 things. Is the second problem, for example, is it even an addition subtraction problem?
No. It's a comparison. Compare.
No, but where are you adding, subtracting? You don't need to add and subtract. No, you just have to look at the numbers and decide.
Yes.
This is actually, madam.
No, madam. For 2 days, first they have to find the answer.
No, they have never said that they want how many.
They have to add both red, madam.
Then only they can compare.
2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
25. What is more, 25 or 35?
No, ma'am.
No, madam. 2 days.
2 days.
They have
First
to
day
combine.
38, second day 40. They have to add these 2.
Oh, okay.
So if it is blue,
But then it's
comes
not. I
seven
don't know. It's not a simple problem. It's double level problem, na?
Very
yes,
complicated.
yes,
So one is no,
yes, ma'am.
right?
They have to find out first the reference set and also the set to be compared. Both they have to find out. That is why it is written both sets not known.
No, I'm saying
Both
that this is a stage level problem. So at first stage you're doing a joining problem.
This is database question.
Two steps are involved.
Yeah,
First
you
joining,
first,
then comparing.
right. So first you say that you first say ki okay 38 was sold, now more 40 was sold, so how many total? That's 78.
Yeah, it comes
Yes,
under
right.
join
That's a
result
join
unknown.
problem with
Join
result
result
unknown.
Yeah.
yes.
So you have two join problems for result unknown, and then you have a compare problem. But
Compare.
I don't know whether there's a compare problem at all, because you're not supposed to find the difference between them. You're just supposed to find what is more. So is that a compare problem? Is my question clear, Arundhati ma'am and Jyoti ma'am?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Only if it is, we have to find the difference. Like
Or
how
add
many
and
more
then
we want to
compare.
find out, then only it will be coming as comparison.
Yeah, I guess so, because I mean, so just what is more, what is less, we don't need to subtract. No, we just need to look at the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Got it, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. But this is good. I mean, yeah, this is good. We can go ahead.
It is a visual impact, the number, seeing they can compare and
Can you repeat what you said? I didn't hear.
children will be able to see the data and come to the total on each day, and they will arrive at the next level question, madam, comparing.
Yeah. Actually, I mean, this is just beyond, I mean, changing the topic, but I've actually seen children not even having to add to answer this question. They just compare the numbers. So they will see 38 and 66 and 40 and 23 and decide that it is, so they will not even add actually.
This is database question.
Huh?
Yes.
Database question है मैडम ये.
नहीं database ठीक है सर, लेकिन मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि I'm just saying this, putting it forward. Like for example, even you tell me.
Topic different हो गया मैडम. Topic different है यहाँ पे.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता ये different topic है. But Arundhati ma'am and Jyoti ma'am, I'm just asking you. Look at this question. Did he sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? Do you need to add actual numbers to?
Madam, at the level of child, 38 is smaller than 40 and 66 is bigger than 23. So at the child's level, probably unless they add, they may not be able to compare. At our level, definitely we can do it.
So I mean, class 2 may, but class 3 may, I have a child who would say something similar to that 38, like say it's 40, then it becomes 80 sweaters, but blue is already more than 80 sweaters. So blue sweaters are more.
Children have their own strategies for finding out the answers. Of
no,
course,
I'm just saying that like we need to also keep a
possible.
mind open that no, the child might just do this without addition and subtraction.
Possible,
that would be
possible,
very nice.
Possible. Definitely possible.
At least we won't do it. No, I mean, we just look at it and say, oh, this is less than 80 and this is more than 80. So blue sweaters are more. Right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we can go ahead. So ma'am, we can go. I'm spending a lot of time on one. Is it? Sorry. Yeah, ma'am, continue.
No. And then the next question, how many red and gray sweaters did she sell on the first day? More than 120 or less than 120? So it's a question C is a comparison with reference set unknown. And for D,
no, wait a minute.
It's
सारा ही गलत हो यार, क्या करेंगे?
C is, what are you saying? Compared with, so how many red and green did she sell on the first day? More than 120 or less than 120?
120 reference, madam. Already there is a reference 120, na?
Yeah, I think there is a reference already there. The compared set is what we are looking at.
So reference can't be unknown.
Compared set unknown.
I think the compare set is unknown because you're comparing red sweaters to 120.
Yes.
Yes. Compare set unknown.
Also, I don't know if it's an addition subtraction problem again because it's not how many more or how many less. You just have to look at the number and compare.
Yes. यहाँ पे ये
We got your point now. We got your point. But first step involves part whole unknown.
Yes. The first step involves part whole unknown because that's what you need. So you have to look at the red sweaters and the gray sweaters and add them and see whether it's 120, less than 120 or not. So that is fine, but I don't think this is a compare problem because you're not supposed to find the difference with 120.
Now we got it, madam. We understood.
We were not knowing, like, we didn't think that way in the beginning.
Because
that's okay.
Addition was involved in the beginning. We thought now more clarity has come, madam. We are very happy that we are able to know.
Jyoti ma'am, Arundhati ma'am, I think having these kind of things gives us a way to discuss. If there are if my presentation is flawless and your presentation is flawless, then we wouldn't be talking, right? Because there were some problems in the way I was saying, that's why there were the questions asked. Similarly, so it's absolutely fine. I mean, I personally feel that the way we are open, we saying that children should make mistakes and children should be allowed to make mistakes. Even we as adults should be allowed to, have some confusions, right? It's absolutely fine.
Yes, actually, when we were putting this, we had that discussion. We thought let us put it so that it goes for discussion and we will have more clarity. We thought of that also, ma'am.
Yeah, no problems. I mean, at least I don't have any problems.
Thank you for clarifying.
You also didn't have a problem with this discussion, so we can move.
Thank you. No, not at all, ma'am. We are in the process of learning. Thanks a lot for clarifying. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Arundhati ma'am.
Madam, I'm sorry. Actually, unknowingly, I joined with my daughter's ID. My name is Lakshmi Priya. I'm from Ernakulam region.
Sorry. Oh, that's Arundhati's picture there. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe. Sorry, Lakshmi Priya ma'am. Sorry. You should have corrected me earlier, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So.
Anything else?
Third part is there, madam. Third assignment.
But I think we have exceeded your So can we come back if there is time? Is that okay, Mesuru group?
Yes, madam. We will come back if time is there.
The children's strategies is something which I just gave for that. I mean, I know you will do a very good job at it because I mean that is something which you see day in and day out.
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah. So we'll come back to it. I've noted it down. We'll come back to that later. Which is the next group, sir?
Thank you, Z Mysuru group. We are moving to Z Bhubaneswar. Z Bhubaneswar group, please.
Bhubaneswar,
good evening, everyone.
Can I make a request? Because sir, can I make you a request?
Yes, ma'am.
After the first so do you also have 1, 2, 3, all of them done?
We have divided in 3 parts, ma'am. So I have present one.
Yeah.
Then the other 2 part will be covered by our members.
Okay, no. So I was saying that can we do something? Can you do the first part and then the third part and then come to the second? Is that okay? The textbook problems.
I think it'll be okay with our members.
You can think about it, but anyways, you can present the first part up by then.
Okay, ma'am. I am presenting.
Yeah.
Is the screen is visible to you all?
You might have to do full screen. Whatever it's called, slideshow, whatever.
Then go to the presentation, sir. Yes.
Continue, is the screen is visible?
Absolutely.
It is visible. Please
Okay. Good evening, everyone. This is Vikas Kumar Gupta, PRT, KBBSF Hazaribagh from Ranchi region, Bhubaneswar. These are our members. So today in the morning session, we have received a group work, which we have divided into 3 parts. So I am talking about the first part, which is classify the initial 5 problems each of you made in the table we made in the presentation, present a few of them. So in the beginning, in the morning session, randomly I have made some problems which we didn't know to classify. So my 5 problems are like this. Ram's mother gave him ₹2 and his father gave him ₹10. How much money does Ram have in all together? Sam has 3 apples and 5 guavas. How many fruit does Sam have in all? There are 12 biscuits in a packet of biscuit and 4 biscuits are eaten by Meera. How many biscuits are now left in the packet? Fourth question is, Mohan have some chocolates with him. His friend gave him 5 chocolates. He has now 12 chocolates with him. How much chocolate does Mohan have initially? And the fifth question is, there are 25 flowers in a garden, out of which 5 flowers are plucked out by someone. How many flowers are now left in the garden? So these questions are made without the classification of, without knowing the classification of the problem, which we learned in the morning session. So in problem 1, what I have found that what kind of problem is, Ram's mother gave him ₹2 and his father gave him ₹10. How much money does Ram have in altogether? So I think this is a kind of problem, joint type of problem, in which the result is unknown. Here I have written some variables, that is rupees. Rupees are joining together to give the unknown result. Second question is, Syam has 3 apples and 5 guavas. How many fruit does Syam have in all? This is a problem. The problem is part whole, in which whole is unknown, in which different variables like apples and guavas, red colors, blue colors, etc. are added together to get the unknown whole. The unknown whole is fruit. The red, blue are colors, monkeys, tigers are animals. So the unknown is whole. In my third question, there are 12 biscuits in a packet of biscuit and 4 biscuits are eaten by Meera. How many biscuits are now left in the packet? So this is a kind of separate kind of problem in which result is unknown. Some quantities are separated from the whole to get the unknown result. That what I found. In fourth question, Mohan have some chocolates with him. His friend gave him 5 chocolates. He has now 12 chocolates with him. How much chocolate does Mohan have initially? It is a kind of joint kind of problem that I found, in which start is unknown. 2 quantities when joined together to get the result. Here the result and 1 quantity are given. The start is unknown. We are joining. Fifth question is, there are 25 flowers in a garden, out of which 5 flowers are plucked out by someone. How many flowers are now left in the garden? So this is a problem with a separate kind of thing, and the result is unknown. Some quantities means 5 flowers are separated from whole, that is 25 flowers, to get the unknown result. So these are my 5 questions which I made randomly.
Because
and
can
again,
you go to the first problem? Because can you go to the first problem?
Okay.
Can you go to your first problem after you finish your 5? No, after you finish talking about this 5, then you go to your first problem.
I am going to the first problem in the table. The first problem is like this, and I am trying to make in result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. The three types of question. One question in 3 types. Where the result is unknown, Ram's mother gave him 2 rupees and his father gave him ₹10. How much money does Ram have in altogether? This is the original question, and we can change it. Ram's mother gave him ₹2, and how much money more does he need to have ₹12? It is change is unknown. Ram have some rupees where the start is unknown with him, and his father gave him ₹10. Now he has ₹12. How much money does he have initially? So initially he has some rupees. So this is the basic changes what I have made.
I think
Okay, because just now hold on. Some people want to make, yeah, Pankaj sir.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes, sir.
I think first problem is part whole.
The problem 2 is the original question is whole unknown. You can see
First
Syam
problem,
has
talking about first problem.
first problem.
First
Yes,
problem.
yes,
Go
yes,
back to
yes,
the
yes.
earlier slide. Yeah. Pankaj sir,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
say.
Please.
Yeah, because I think it is part whole problem. In Ram's mother is giving 2 rupees and father is giving 2 rupees. There are 2 parts and it comes to another person.
But the variable is same, sir. But the variable is same, sir. Rupees and rupees.
Yeah. Because sir, actually, because you made these 3 types, you can see that it's not a part whole problem because you couldn't make the change unknown or the start unknown with this. You had to change the context.
Okay.
See, just look at it. You said result unknown. You said mother gave 2 rupees, father gave 10 rupees. How much money does Ram have in altogether? If this was a joint problem, then you should have been able to make the change unknown, right? But there is no change happening. There is no change. That's why you couldn't make it.
Okay.
No,
so
wait a minute.
the
Actually,
result
this is very
unknown.
interesting. So just a minute, because this is actually very interesting. So this is a very maybe an interesting way to actually make the division. Try to make the 3 different varieties and see whether it's working. Like you can clearly see that this particular problem doesn't work if you change the result, right? The result unknown, change unknown, start unknown. You can't differentiate it like that. You have to make completely different set of problems. Is that correct, Vikas sir, what I'm saying?
Actually, ma'am, the first problem is result is unknown. That is my original question, and I have made in different way. Change unknown, start unknown.
Yeah, but it's not a joint problem. That's what Pankaj sir and Prahlad sir are saying. Pankaj sir, you want to continue?
Actually, sir, madam, it is like the question.
We had a long discussion on this.
In place of Ram,
change तो एक ही है ना.
Pankaj sir, बोलिए.
Yeah, actually, my point is that if in place of Ram, suppose Ram mother, Ram has 2 rupees and his father gets 10 rupees, then what altogether, it may be joint problem. But I thought that it is 2 persons, mother is 1 person and another is father, and they are giving to the Ram. So this is part whole, and the whole is a result unknown. This is my point. If I am correct.
This is part whole with whole unknown. Pankaj sir, is
madam,
that what you said?
Yeah, it is whole unknown.
Yeah.
Part whole and whole unknown.
Yeah.
Morning, discussion on the same problem.
Yeah, we had a problem.
Madam,
I mean, I think Ranjit sir gave that problem, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sir gave
Yes.
Yeah, we had a discussion on this like in detail actually because
yes.
problem
actually
जो भी
say that change is unknown because change is already known.
एक्चुअली जो भी मैंने रिसीव किया था एक बुक की जो स्क्रीनशॉट थी वो आया था, तो उससे हमने देखा था तो ये पाया कि कुछ चेंजेस इसी तरह हो रहे हैं.
नहीं, लेकिन चेंज
एग्जैक्टली आप अगर वो बुक की
नहीं कह सकते ना.
चेंज है ही नहीं. चेंज एक्चुअली है ही नहीं. मतलब माँ ने कुछ दिया, पिताजी ने कुछ दिया, वो दोनों में कितना हुआ इज द क्वेश्चन.
मनी ज्वाइन हो रहा है ना दोनों तरफ से.
साथ में आ रहा है एक्चुअली, ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा है, साथ में आ रहा है. सो 2 parts मेक अ होल.
एक्चुअली यही कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है शुरू में. पार्ट हो रहा है, ज्वाइन हो रहा है.
नहीं, मैं बोली एक्चुअली ये बहुत सिंपल आइडिया है. आपको जो मैंने बुक का फोटो भेजा ना, जो अभी विकास सर भी बोल रहे थे कि उन्होंने ये करने की कोशिश की, राइट?
उसी से मैंने करने की कोशिश की है ये. जी मैम.
राइट, बट देखिए आप उस प्रॉब्लम को अगर आप वापस खोलोगे उस पेज को, आपको दिखेगा कि आपने एक्चुअली पूरा का पूरा कॉन्टेंट चेंज कर दिया है. देखिए सडनली ये नहीं है कि मतलब राम्स मदर गेव हिम ₹2. हाउ मच मोर मनी डज ही नीड टू हैव हिज ₹12? फादर मनी गिविंग इज नॉट देयर ओनली. सेकेंड पार्ट, राम हैज सम मनी विथ हिम. राम हैज नो मनी विथ हिम. नो, माँ ने 2 दिए, पिताजी ने 10 दिए, इसलिए वो 12 मिले. So Ram has no money with him. How can you say Ram has some money with him? If Ram already had some money, then he has much more than 12 rupees in the first problem. Right?
Right.
तो ये मतलब ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था, ये विकास सर आपकी वजह से आइडिया आया कि ये एक अच्छा तरीका हो सकता है फाइंड आउट करने का which type of the problem is. If you can actually make it into 3 types like result unknown, change unknown, start unknown, then it is a join or a separate problem. Otherwise, it is not a join or a separate problem.
Madam, you are telling about the start unknown. Ram had some money. Here, father gave 10. Yeah, some money. Is it correct? ये तो correct है क्योंकि उसके पास 12 हो रहा है लास्ट में. Now he has 12. फादर तो उसको 10 ही दे रहे हैं. यहाँ पर तो मदर की कोई बात है ही नहीं, है ना? तो ये तो सब जो राम के पास ऑलरेडी पहले से है 2.
Exactly.
मैम, can I
यहाँ तो मदर के पास नहीं है. यहाँ तो मदर की कोई चर्चा नहीं है.
मतलब ये तीनों अलग-अलग तरह के प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. सर सॉरी
मैडम, ये जॉइंट काइंड के ही प्रॉब्लम है मेरे अनुसार, लेकिन मैंने इसको 3 अलग अलग तरीकों से बनाया है, जो कि रिजल्ट अननोन, चेंज अननोन एंड स्टार्ट अननोन है. अगर हम लोग तीनों को ध्यान से देखेंगे, जो भी आपने वो स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैंने बनाने की इसकी कोशिश की है. क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर
आप उनको ठीक से देखिए, उसमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट चेंज नहीं हो रहा कहीं भी. एक में कॉनी और 2 बच्चे हैं, एक किसी के पास इतना ज्यादा है, बिल्कुल कॉन्टेक्स्ट चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. आपका पहला, दूसरा और तीसरा तीनों में अलग अलग कॉन्टेक्स्ट है. आपके पहले में मम्मी पापा दोनों, सेकंड में मम्मी है लेकिन पापा के बारे में कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है, और तीसरे में पापा के बारे में डिस्कशन है, मम्मी के बारे में कोई
डिस्कशन नहीं है. बट वो चेंज अननोन, स्टार्ट अननोन और रिजल्ट अननोन तो उसमें दिख ही रहा है.
नहीं है ये थर्ड वाला जो है वो स्टार्ट अननोन है. ओके, ये आपका चेंज अननोन है, जॉइन चेंज अननोन है आपका. लेकिन ये जो पहला वाला है इसके ऊपर बहुत डिस्कशन भी हो चुका था लास्ट टाइम. रंजीत सर ने ये प्रॉब्लम सजेस्ट किया था और इसमें बहुत डिस्कशन हुआ था, और आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस एट लीस्ट केम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट दिस इज अ पार्ट होल एंड नॉट रिजल्ट अननोन, बिकॉज़ देयर इज नो चेंज हैपनिंग.
मैम, वो जो स्क्रीनशॉट अगर अब हम देखें वो बुक की, Connie yes ma'am. Connie had 5 marbles. Yuan gave her 8 more marbles. How many marbles does Connie have altogether? So Ram mother gave him 2 rupees and his father gave him 10 rupees. So how much money does Ram have in altogether? So ये रिजल्ट अननोन हो सकता है. मैंने ट्राई किया है. आप अपने से
फर्स्ट इज ओके
मैम.
सर
बोलिए, कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am, if it would have been Ram had rupees 2 and his father gave him rupees 10, then it would have been result unknown. क्योंकि initial rupees 2 is there.
I agree, and I think I don't know. I mean, आप लोगों के कुछ लोगों के स्कूल्स के नाम है शायद. There was somebody
just
earlier also saying the same thing. Yes, sir. Is that Siddharth sir saying something? हम आगे बढ़ो क्योंकि
ओके मैम आगे बढ़ते हैं मैडम.
Mostly the examples given they are having 2 variables of different types. I think part whole is a bigger concept of joining problems. They are very much related.
No, Sir, what do you mean by they are related? Of course, all of them are related, no? But see, the basic thing is that is anything changed? तुम कुछ बदलाव हो रहा है क्या? कुछ बदलाव नहीं हो रहा है. I mean, in some sense, there is no change happening. What you are looking at is, so actually the question you are asking is Ram's brother gave him rupees 2, his father gave him rupees 10. How much money did Ram receive? Is the question you are asking actually, because we don't know how much money Ram had earlier, right? So the question is actually Ram's mother gave him rupees 2 and his father gave him rupees 10. How much money did Ram receive? क्योंकि राम के पास पहले कितने पैसे थे हमको पता नहीं है, so we can't really say how much money does Ram have. What we can say is how much money did Ram receive, and now the money that Ram has received is made up of 2 parts: mother's money and father's money. Okay. ठीक है
मैडम
इसमें जो भी करेक्शन होंगे करेंगे
मैडम, यहाँ पर जो आप कह रही हैं कि राम के पास पहला प्रॉब्लम है, राम के पास कोई पहले से मनी नहीं है, हाउ मच, इसलिए हैव नहीं लगेगा, रिसीव लगेगा। तो ये तो लैंग्वेज की बात है। और आप प्रॉब्लम से तो हमें देखिए, ऑलरेडी लैंग्वेज इज नॉट टीचिंग इन द मैथमेटिक्स, वट एवर द कंसेप्ट वी आर गिविंग, ओरिजिनल कंसेप्ट हम दे रहे हैं बच्चे को। लैंग्वेज अब यहाँ पर है हटा करके रिसीव कर देंगे तो सही हो गया, और रिसीव हटा करके हैव कर देंगे तो गलत हो गया। दैट इज द लैंग्वेज। ये मैथमेटिक्स हमें नहीं मैडम, पहले मुझे कंप्लीट करने दीजिए मैडम। लैंग्वेज हमें मैथमेटिक्स,
मुझे एक इल्जाम लगाया है कि मैं ये बोल रही थी कि यहाँ सही नहीं है और रिसीव करने पर सही हो जाएगा। मैं ये नहीं बोल रही थी, मैं ये बोल रही थी कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग की वो क्यों पार्ट होल है, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग में इजी होगा। दैट्स ऑल आई वाज सेइंग। यू कैन कंटिन्यू।
ठीक है, सब कोई बात नहीं।
ओके मैम, जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे वो करेंगे इसमें मैडम।
नो प्लस सर, प्लीज यू कैन प्लीज कंटिन्यू। I was just saying that I'm
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Not because and not you. I can't. I don't know what the person who was talking. Pandey.
Okay ma'am.
I was not saying that I am making it correction. I was saying that it is easy to see why it is part whole, rather than that's all I was saying.
Okay ma'am. Okay ma'am.
No, because sir, I was talking to I think Pandey sir. I can't see him. So wait a minute. Yeah, Pandey sir. Yeah.
हाँ मैडम, आपने कहा यहाँ पर रिसीव की बात कर रहा था, इसलिए मैंने कहा मैथमेटिक्स हम लोग कंसेप्ट देते हैं, लैंग्वेज की बहुत सी बातें नहीं करते हैं इसमें। आपने कहा कि हैव की जगह रिसीव होगा, इसलिए मैंने कहा था, और कोई बात नहीं थी। ठीक है।
नहीं तो फिर एक्चुअली सर
मैडम
पांडे सर,
एक बात कहूंगा मैडम,
मैथमेटिक्स की बात करेंगे, मैथमेटिक्स की तो लोग कहेंगे कि आप किस तरह कह सकते हो कि उसके पास सिर्फ 12 रुपए, आपको तो पता ही नहीं उसके पास कितने हैं पहले। तो अगर आप एक्चुअली मैथमेटिकली देखना चाहें तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछना ही गलत है कि उसके पास कितने पैसे हैं, जब आपको पता ही नहीं कि उसके पास पहले कितने। तो अगर आप गणित की बात करना चाहते हो तो गणित आपको पता ही नहीं कि उसके पास पहले कितने पैसे। तो एक्चुअली मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि हम गणित नहीं कर रहे, हम एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंडिंग के ऊपर है कि हम समझ लेते हैं। ठीक है, तो मतलब पूछ रहे हो कि कितना मिला है, तो एक्चुअली मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि लैंग्वेज नहीं करना चाहिए। मैथमेटिकली लोग बोलेंगे गलत है, ये सवाल पूछना ही गलत है।
मैडम एक बात कहना चाहूंगा प्लीज।
हाँ भूषण सर।
मैडम एक बात कहना चाहूंगा प्लीज। हेलो
सर प्लीज।
ये जो आज का कंटेक्स्ट है हम कर रहे हैं, विदाउट फाउंडेशनल लिटरेसी, numeracy, both are intertwined madam, we can't separate them.
But भूषण सर उसका कहाँ बात आया अभी?
नहीं बात आ गया ना, ये कह रहे हैं कि लैंग्वेज के बगैर हम मैथ का गणित समझाना है या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोग। उनको लैंग्वेज साथ साथ सीखना है, क्वेश्चन उसी तरीके से देने पड़ेंगे जो लैंग्वेज इजी हो। वो डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज
सर वो ये नहीं कह रहे भूषण सर, पांडे सर ये नहीं कह रहे थे कि लैंग्वेज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वो ये बोले थे कि लैंग्वेज से मैथ्स पे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है शायद। ऐसा मुझे
पड़ेगा, बहुत पड़ेगा, क्यों नहीं पड़ेगा?
फर्क पड़ता है पांडे सर, फर्क पड़ता है, नंबर से डेवलप होता है।
मैडम मुझे कंसेप्ट देने
इंटरट्वाइन है,
मैं कंसेप्ट देने की बात कर रहा हूँ, और न्यूमरेसी कंसेप्ट देता है, कॉम्पिटेंसी देता है, स्किल देता है।
ठीक है विकास सर, मैं आपसे एक लास्ट कहना चाहूंगी
मैडम। आई वुड लाइक language may not be a barrier.
We have like key down and at 5 o'clock already.
Is it okay ma'am? Yes, second problem please madam, देखिए।
No wait a minute, because sir I will just say one thing and we can continue this over mail.
ओके मैम।
आपका जो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है उसमें आप थोड़ा सा चेंज करके आप देख लीजिए कि अगर आप उसको वो पार्ट होल की तरह देख सकते हैं क्या कि Ram's mother gave him ₹2, his father gave him ₹10, how much money did Ram receive in all? इस अगर मैं वो की जगह पे रिसीव करूं तो क्या वो आप पार्ट होल को देखने में आसानी होती है क्या? आप अपने लिए देखना, मैं ये उससे गणित बदलता है, गणित वही रहता है।
जी मैम।
समझ बनाने में ज्यादा आसानी होगी। या
ओके
ठीक है।
ओके मैम,
तो
ओके
हम आगे बढ़ते हैं।
ये प्रॉब्लम 2 एक बार मैडम आप देख लीजिए कि ये लगभग सही है। Whole unknown, that is the original problem. Syam has 3 apples and 5 guavas. How many fruit does Syam have in all?
ये join together. join problem है।
हाँ
join type
कौन बोला join?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, ये ठीक है सर।
नहीं
पार्ट हो गया।
Is it
ये
okay?
पार्ट whole unknown सही है। Absolutely.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am. And
विकास सर
part
एकदम
unknown
सही है।
ma'am.
प्रहलाद सर ने भी स्टैम्प मारा उसके ऊपर।
यस मैम।
Oh, okay, thank you everyone. So ये
ठीक है। Yeah, I think
part
both of them
unknown
are
ठीक है।
fine.
Okay ma'am, thank you. So that was from my end. Thank you all of you for this discussion. Thank you ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Madam, can we move to the next group or?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, we Bhubaneswari have 2 more actually sir activity. That means the second 2 parts.
But the problem is there, sir, 2 more regions are there.
Okay.
Bhubaneswar and Chandigarh are waiting.
Sir, in 1 minute, shall I present the third part as madam was asking? Just
okay.
In 2 minutes.
Do it quick, sir, please.
Madam, the third part, actually the strategy, that part I have taken. This one, madam. Actually, we are having 11 contexts, and in join part, I think this screen is visible to all of you.
Sir, continue, sir, please.
हाँ, तो actually join में यहाँ result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. And result unknown में Rima has 7 copies. Her mother gave her 5 copies. How many copies does she have now in all? और यहाँ जो strategy है, मैडम ये मैं देखा कि हर एक context में ये जो हम लिए जो varieties लिए, चिल्ड्रंस का जो solution strategy है मैडम ये तो मुझे लग रहा है कि सब आ जाएगा। जैसे modeling and counting, इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा ये सोचा कि जस्ट मिनट दिस वन ये वही प्रॉब्लम है मैडम जैसे कि जॉइन में रिजल्ट अननोन वाला 7 कॉपीज रीमा हैज ऑलरेडी 7 कॉपीज और मदर गेव हर 5 कॉपीज प्लस 5 और यहाँ दोनों चीज साइमल्टेनियसली मैडम चल रहा है कि मॉडलिंग भी हो रहा है बच्चा के ऊपर क्वेश्चन पुट किया तो आइदर वो सिंबॉलिक कोई चीज 7 पहले लिया और 5 लिया और उसको मॉडलिंग मतलब टोटल में काउंट भी किया और नंबर कॉन्सेप्ट का जहां तक हम पढ़े वो भी अगर कोई थोड़ा हाई अचीवर है तो डायरेक्टली ही कैन ऐड 7 + 5 एंड इन दिस वे 5 + 5 10 + 2 12 इन दैट वे आल्सो ही कैन आंसर am I correct madam
right yes absolutely sir I was not saying that there are particular strategy like modeling will only be for part whole and not for join or for separate. I'm saying that it will be always for each of modeling, counting and number facts, each of them will be applicable for each of the problem type, right? I just wanted you to like think about the way you that there are 7 and there is 5, so you have 7 and then you add 5 to it, or you have 7 and then you count on 5, or you say okay 5 + 5 is 10 and plus 2 12. So these are all three different types of strategies to use to solve the same problem. Are you saying you're saying the same thing, right?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Maybe one strategy
perfect, that's all I wanted.
Then other, then yes ma'am. And similarly madam I have also taken all the that means context and the strategy, the most applicable or appropriate strategy I have mentioned here for separate here 3 situations are there. As time is matlab less I am not explaining.
Can you show us part whole would be nice to see or compare strategies.
Madam this one actually part whole there are 25 students in class 1A and 20 students in class 1B. If only 2 sections are there, how many students are there in all in class 1? मैडम नंबर फैक्ट्स ज्यादा सही रहेगा क्लास 2 का बच्चा है तो प्लस कर लेगा मैडम डायरेक्ट नंबर फैक्ट्स को यूज करके
अच्छा
20 + 20 then 5 and the total will be 45 in that way you can that means answer the question. And similarly part unknown mein there are 40 students in the class, number of boys 22, how many girls students are there. Similarly number facts or counting, you use the counting that means strategy also. to solve the problem. So मैं PPT में उसको नहीं बना पाया, लेकिन ये दोनों स्ट्रेटेजी मुझे लग रहा है इस सिचुएशन में ठीक बैठेगा।
So the strategies that I had seen for much younger children, class 1 children, was like if you I have 2 bananas and 3 apples, total many fruit. Yeah. So taking in physical modeling, direct modeling, pick up 2 cubes, pick up 3 cubes, put them together and then count them together.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
तो 2 लिया 3 लिया साथ में जो भी count तीनों पांचों.
Yes,
of part whole strategy that you have 2 groups, you put them together and then you count them together. So you don't have a starting point. You have both of them same.
Yes,
That's
yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, Prahlad sir.
Okay, madam. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So this is what I wanted to
This is-
discuss about the strategies. Yeah. This is exactly
Yes, ma'am,
what I
yes,
wanted to
ma'am.
discuss.
This is compare type. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That much. Okay, madam. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, dear Bhubaneswari team.
Thank you.
Now we are, the next is at Gwalior. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please continue, sir.
I am Arnesh West from Kendriya, headmaster from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gomti Nagar. We collectively make this presentation. आपको सब presentation दिखाई पड़ रही है?
It will take some time, sir. We will just tell you. Share the screen. I think he lost his connection. He has to get reconnected.
He's there. Yeah, he's come.
Yes, come back. Is it Mr. Arunesh, na?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Arunesh, you are there?
Yes, sir. I am sharing my screen. Whether
Yes,
it is
sir,
visible
please.
to you?
No, you tell me. We will tell you. We will tell you. Just share it now.
Whether it is visible to you, sir?
No, sir. Sharing it to start.
Yeah, it's starting.
Now it is starting, sir. It is starting. Okay, sir. You start presenting the PPT. Yeah? PPT you want to?
You'll have to allow it, sir. You'll have to
Sir.
give permission.
No, I
had
no,
allowed.
no.
Then click on allow, no?
Allow.
Yes.
Allow. The blue
On the
thing.
top,
Yeah.
allow.
Just click on it.
Blue color. Oh. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
You click that allow, then your PPT will be shown to us. Kindly click that allow,
I'm clicking it, sir.
the dialog box.
Yeah.
Come down, and then click that allow.
I think entering also. might
Enter
work.
also will work out. Press enter. That also should work out. Searching.
Yes.
We can't do anything. Otherwise, you present the full screen, then open your PPT.
Alt A also should.
Is presenting once again. Yes, continue, sir.
तो थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
he can also send it to somebody, one of you know, the presentation on your WhatsApp group and.
I don't know why he is not able to.
Aruni sir, I think you're logged in 2 places, so that's why there's an echo.
He has logged in with the 2 devices.
Please ask Chandigarh group in the meantime.
Yeah, maybe the Chandigarh group can start and then we
Yes,
can come back
Chandigarh
to
group,
here.
please come forward. If you are ready, Chandigarh group. Z Chandigarh group, please.
Sir, Srinivasan sir.
Yes,
sir. Can I present this PPT from my side and Avnesh sir will explain.
Okay, do it, sir. Do it, sir. From Z Gwalior.
Okay. So I'm. Yeah, Z Gwalior.
Do it, sir. Do it, sir. Quick. Thank you.
Siddharth, are you presenting?
Yeah.
Siddharth Singhal, we are able to see. PPT, na?
Yeah, it's opening.
It's opening, sir. Opening, sir.
Yeah,
Please continue.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the group work from Z Gwalior. And first of all, I am highly thankful to Dr. Aloka ma'am, who had nicely teach us about the addition and subtraction which is used in foundation numeracy. Some concepts which have made it clear.
Sir, please continue. What happened? If sir is not there, others please explain.
सबसे पहले हम प्रश्नों की चर्चा करेंगे। सिद्धार्थ सर।
Sir, any other member can start explaining, please.
Yeah. The joint problem. Jimmy has 5 pencils. And here the change is unknown. The result is now Jimmy had 8 pencils. Question is, how many pencils can you give to Jimmy? Jimmy is another boy who is giving some pencils to Jimmy. As initially Jimmy had 5 pencils, he received some pencils to Jimmy, and now Jimmy had 8 pencils. This is the first question. Where now the second question, where the change result is unknown.
Okay.
Jimmy had 5 pencils. Timmy gave 3 more pencils to him. How many pencils Jimmy had now? Here in this problem, result is unknown. This is another type of joint problem. And the third question, we don't know how many pencils Jimmy have. This is the starting one. Timmy gave some pencils to him, and now Jimmy had 8 pencils. This is also a problem of join mode. Now we will come to another process, that is the separate. Here also we define 3 problems. The first one has result unknown. A tree had 56 mangoes. Ramu picked 24 of them. How many mangoes the tree has now? Second question, the change unknown. Vinu had 35 cards. Out of which 43 cards are red. How many cards are with another color? Means except red color, how many cards are there? And the third one, where the result is unknown. Raja has some balloon. He gave 5 balloons to Ravi. Now he has 7 balloons. How many balloons Raja has in the starting?
Arun sir, just wait for a minute now.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, can you anybody wants to make any comments of any of these questions?
Yes, madam. Yes. First question, no problem, madam. First question, first problem.
Wait a minute. Somebody was never spoken. No, Bhushan sir.
First question, first
Somebody
problem.
was never spoken.
First question, first problem.
Who is speaking? First question, first problem.
Yes, madam. First question, first problem.
Oh, that was just problem with the Jimmy and Timmy, right? They are just confused the Jimmy and Timmy.
That is not a confusion, but actually the question was wrong, madam.
Is it?
Yes, the question was wrong.
They just have to see how many pencils did Jimmy get from Timmy. That was the only thing. वो Jimmy Timmy exchange किया तो ठीक हो जाता है.
नहीं जी. Typing mistake, ma'am.
It's just a mistake. But I'm saying that go to the next problem. I mean, next the separate problem.
Separate one.
Yeah. So, आप लोग please and see whether all of them are actually separate problems. Somebody was.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Madam, second one.
If sir.
It's part and whole, ma'am, I guess.
Who is saying that?
Ma'am, Ankit was from
Ankit, sir?
TV Dileja.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Ankit, sir. Yeah. Second one is?
Part and whole, ma'am. Part whole.
Right. Second one is part and whole. Because 85 है, उसमें से 43 लाल है, तो दूसरे वाला जो कलर है वो लाल पीले, तो लाल और पीले मिलके टोटल नंबर बनते है, तो 43 अगर लाल
This part whole
हो रहा है, part whole और unknown.
अब total 85 cards हैं, 43 red
right.
Another color कितने कार्ड है?
Okay, अरुण सर.
जी.
हाँ, बोलिए.
I think it's a separate problem.
How is it a separate?
Yeah, total cards are 85.
So, 85 students, 43 girls. How many boys? ये इस कार्ड्स में क्या अंतर है इस क्वेश्चन में?
Total strength minus girls equal to boys.
Yeah. आपके रेयर की जगह मैं गर्ल्स डाल दूंगी और कार्ड की जगह पे स्टूडेंट डाल दूंगी.
Ma'am, you have divided a student between girls and boys. So ये part and whole आप बता रहे. मैं केवल कार्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ. लाल कलर के कार्ड तो 85 में से कुल कितने कार्ड जो अलग कलर के हैं, मैंने और कोई दूसरा कलर इसीलिए नहीं डिफाइन किया, इसलिए इसको सेपरेट में डाला है.
Even then, sir, another color.
Yeah, another color. Total.
सर बोलिए.
मेंशन किया है, दूसरे और किसी कलर को मेंशन नहीं किया.
That is okay, but सीधा चेंज के बारे में बोले. क्या बोले आप? कोई तो बोला no action.
Actually, I think that it could be changed. If in case of 85 cards, if you tell that 85 cards are there and 43 cards are removed red color, then how many remaining? Then it may be changed question in case of that.
But they have not removed the cards, sir. They just think out of 43. What they saying?
It is part whole, I think.
Huh?
But
yeah, it is part whole. Yeah, it is. You're not removing the cards. If you say 43 cards are removed, then yes, it's a separate. Even then, change is actually not unknown, no, because the change is 43 cards.
Yeah, it is correct.
means you want to say the same object should be removed.
हाँ अरुण सर,
आप ये कहना चाहते हैं टोटल कार्ड से अगर हम केवल लिखे कि कार्ड रिमूव किया जा रहा है तब ये क्वेश्चन सेपरेट में होगा, अगर कलर हम ना मेंशन करें तो।
out of which 43 cards are removed, how many cards are remaining? आप खुद देख लो, क्वेश्चन आप एक्चुअली चीजें निकाल रहे हो।
जी जी।
I think that was what Pankaj sir was saying, that there was no change happening. Now there is change, right? Is that okay, sir? Is that okay? Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am. If you have the same object, then you can say this. हमने किसी कलर को मेंशन नहीं किया था।
Even then, sir, red versus other color, ऐसे दो parts हो सकते हैं ना?
Yeah.
So the two parts can be red and not red cards. There can be two parts, right? That's what yours was. But there was no change happening. There was no action. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead, sir. Arunesh sir, आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
Siddharth, next slide. For part and me.
Siddharth sir.
Now there are the two questions. First one is where whole is unknown, and second one is where part is unknown. Ajay cooked some chapati in 25 minutes and made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did he take to cook both the things? The whole is unknown in this question. And the other one where part is unknown. Ajay took 40 minutes, total 40 minutes to cook chapati and dal. He cooked chapati in 25 minutes. How much time did he take to make the dal? I think both are correct.
It is whole, I agree.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to say anything about this question? Sir, just 1 minute, sir. Go back. Huh? Anybody wants to make any comments about these questions? No?
Madam, one thing should be added. Madam, one thing should be added that the items are cooked one after another. And only this the context will be.
What? I didn't hear you, sir. Can you repeat?
We have to add, that means sentence here, that each item, that means the two items, cook one after another. Then only the situation will be matched, that means appropriate. Simultaneously, suppose we are making chapati or dal, then
like for example,
there is only one burner. Then the condition is applicable here, I think.
I have a point. For two reasons. One thing is that, sir, it was a very good thing to make Ajay make chapati and dal. I really like that Ajay was making chapati. Instead of, I don't know, Suman or Kajal or somebody. So it was a very nice. But what I think Prahlad sir is saying is that basically because I think naturally you don't really finish, like you don't make chapatis and then you make dal. You make both of them simultaneously, so children might be confused. So maybe one needs to make more obvious that they are made one after the other. I think that is what Prahlad sir was saying. But yeah, I think children will make sense of it. I think we can try. I mean, you can ask these questions and see what are the reactions. There might be very, very interesting reactions coming from your students. But because they're younger students, they might actually just assume that it is one after the other. I mean, I feel that I think that is not so much of a problem. But yeah, he has a point. What he's saying is that nobody actually does one at a time. I mean, you do simultaneously.
This is also very good question. Open question also. This is also an open question because the students think that there are one burner or two burners. They think like that.
Yeah. Yeah, one can have a discussion about that.
I have not used simultaneously. मैंने simultaneously नहीं किया क्वेश्चन में एक के बाद दूसरा पकाया जा रहा है.
नहीं ठीक है sir. I think this is what just Prahlad sir was saying. So actually when you wrote, I was filing for these two reasons. One was his whole simultaneousness, and then that Ajay was cooking. So, but maybe I mean. Okay, I'm not serious. Ajay, maybe one after the other. If it was Kajal or Suman, they would have done it simultaneously. So yeah, fine. We can continue, sir. You can go ahead.
Yes. This is part whole type questions, and the next slide, Siddhartha.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
The compare.
Nice.
Appu's grandfather.
Oh, this is a classroom problem.
Rani's grandfather is 20 years old. How much older than Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? There are two grandfathers of two students, and their comparison between their ages 95 and 70. We don't know the difference.
Right.
The second one is compare set unknown. Dhanu has longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeters. Gurjeet is second. His jump is 20 centimeters less than Dhanu. How long is Gurjeet's jump? Here comparison is unknown to us.
Right.
And
I agree.
Third one is reference set unknown. About the
Anybody has a comment? I'm fine with the questions, and the fact that they're from the textbook is a nice thing. So
yeah.
So you have actually combined two assignments, which is a good idea. So no, that's a good thing. Yeah. So we can. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, I'm okay with it. If anybody wants to make a comment, they can. Otherwise, we.
Next slide is for classifying the problem. हमने 3-4 एग्जाम्पल लिए हैं जिनको सॉल्व करके दिखाया है कि हाउ our problems move forward. The first one is Jimmy has some pencil. Now Timmy gave 3 pencils. Now Jimmy had 8 pencils. How many pencils did Jimmy start with? ये स्टार्ट अननोन टाइप की प्रॉब्लम है. अगर हम जिमी के पेंसिल को x मान करके चलें, टिमी ने उसे 3 पेंसिल्स दिए. नाउ जिमी हैड 8 पेंसिल्स. इसको हम जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम कह सकते हैं. The second one is for separate problem. A tree has 56 mangoes. Ramu picked 24 mangoes of them. How many mangoes tree have now? The result is unknown here. How many mangoes are with tree now? If we consider it x, that 56 minus 24 equal to our answer, which shows the separate problem. The third one is part whole problem, where its part is unknown. Ajay took 40 minutes to cook chapati and dal. He cooked chapati in 25 minutes. How much time did it take make dal? 40 minus 25 equal to x, because we don't know the time to make the dal. And the last one is compare. Gauri reads some page of the story book. Arvind reads 15 pages more than Gauri. If Arvind read 69 pages, how many pages were read by Gauri?
Yes.
We don't know how many pages Arvind read. Here reference is Arvind. If we consider it x plus 15.
No. Gauri is the reference, sir. You have written it correctly.
Ji.
You are now saying by.
Yes, sorry, ma'am. Gauri is the reference.
Yeah. I just wanted to make one point, and I thank the Gwalior group, Gwalior group for this. The part whole problem that they have made in here. Just look at them here. For example, the whole myth was that two different things come together to make a common thing, but actually they have used the same thing. Everything is a minute, so it's 40 minutes, 25 minutes, and 15 minutes, and they get together to make. Yeah, so then they did not be separate entities. They to be two different parts which make a whole. So I like this example that you have used, because there you're actually not using the girl, boy, or the red and the. You're actually using minutes and even then making a division between them as part whole. So which is a good thing. Yeah, we can go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. The last slide is student solution strategies. We have taken one problem from this. Like first one, joint problem for Jimmy. Students को solve करने के लिए 5 pencil में 3 pencil add करेंगे, then उसको 8 pencil मिलेगा. Problem B, Jimmy की total pencil को पूछ रहा है कि how many pencils Jimmy had now? 8 pencils. ये counting की problem है. इसमें action take place हो रहा है और ये counting पर जाएगा. इसी तरह से separate पे अब आप लोग के हिसाब से ये part whole की problem है. लेकिन अगर हम इसको कार्ड हटा देते हैं और सेपरेट में रखते हैं तो 85 माइनस 43 इक्वल टू 42, यह मॉडलिंग की स्ट्रेटेजी इसमें हम अपना सकते हैं। तीसरा पार्ट होल में अजय जब हम ज्वाइन करेंगे नंबर फैक्ट को लेंगे 25 प्लस 50 40 मिनट्स टोटल टाइम टेकन आ जाएगा। और अगर कंपेयर वाले को स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेटजीज पे करें तो वो भी मॉडलिंग पर आएगी, क्योंकि 95 से दूसरे की एज को घटा रहे हैं। 95 माइनस 70 इक्वल टू 25। दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम योर साइड।
सर सॉरी,
यस मैम।
नहीं आप बोल दीजिए। सॉरी, ये ऑनलाइन का बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। बोल Arun sir, you can finish what you were saying.
Yes, ma'am. This is all.
You're done? Okay.
No, they have done, madam. They have done.
Yeah, all I have to say is, sir, I don't think that anything is separate. I mean, for example, what I think very good point that Prahlad sir had made earlier, that for each of the problems, you can actually see all the three different things coming. So you can do this with modeling.
जी.
Counting, you can do this with number facts. हर एक के लिए वो कर सकते हैं कि जैसे 3 और 3 make a 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's why 5 plus 3 is 8. Right? Or for that matter, 5 plus 5 is 8, but we are actually only adding 5 plus 5 is 10, but you're adding 3, so 2 less, so 8. So each of them can be used. And another thing I wanted to say was कि modeling में counting नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होता है, लेकिन counting में modeling नहीं होता है.
जी.
Okay, can we move on
what
to
I
the
said
next
was clear.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable solutions. This is all from government side.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Gwalior. Yeah.
Thank you, Z Gwalior. We are moving on to the last group.
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. This is Preeti Deswal from KV Miran Sahib, Jammu region. So I am presenting on the behalf of Z Chandigarh. Ma'am, I am presenting now. Just please tell me whether my screen is visible or not. Is it visible, ma'am?
Kindly wait, madam. Presentation starts. It is visible now. Continue.
Okay, okay, sir.
Go to the presentation mode.
Okay, sir.
Oh, I can't see.
Okay, the first of all, ma'am, the problems which were given to us, or we were told to make some problems that I have written. First one, Aman has 4 toffees with him. His father gave him 3 more toffees. How many toffees he have now?
Madam, slides start moving.
Sir, actually, I'm on first slide only.
Ma'am, you haven't changed your slides, and you have to go to the slide mode. Okay. Oh,
Slide 2, you have to go.
sorry.
Press F5 or do something. Press F5.
Sir, actually, I am on presenting mode. Just I am trying one more time.
Okay. You press F5, it will automatically starts.
Okay, okay, sir. Is it now?
Preeti ma'am, screen
No, you're not
visible. Again, try again.
Okay, ma'am, I will do it again. Just.
Preeti madam, may I share my screen on behalf of you?
Sir, I am just trying it one more time. If it is not presenting, then you can share.
Okay, it's okay.
Now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sir. So the first one is Aman has 4 toffees with him. His father gave him 3 more toffees. How many toffees he have now? Next one problem. Meenu has 6 apples. She gave 3 to her friend. How many apples apples are left with her now? Next one, in a bag, there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. How many balls are there in the bag? Next one is Ginny has 8 apples and John has 4 apples. How many more apples does Ginny have than John? And the last one problem is Rakhi has 2 blue pens and 5 black pens. How many pens does she have in total? So these are the problems which I have framed in the starting. Then after that, classification. So now क्लासिफिकेशन में इनको अलग अलग टेबल में लगाया है.
Madam, now also your slide is not moving. It's not
So
going
now,
to the first. No.
now sir,
Slide is not
No.
there.
What happened? You press F5 or do something.
sir, I have done actually on my screen. I am on the right slide.
So it is not coming over here.
I think there's a network
Maybe-
issue. It's a lag.
Maybe network
Okay,
issue.
then Sanjeev sir, you can share. I will just
Okay, madam.
use your screen. Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible. Sir, third slide पे आ जाइए.
Just a minute. This one?
Yes, 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 sir. Thank you. So now, the problem which first we have taken, Aman has 3 toffees with him. His father gave him 3 more toffees. How many toffees he have now? तो इसको join category में रखा है with result unknown. The result is unknown. Now in next one,
Just a minute.
संजीव sir, screen नहीं आ रहा है.
Just a minute.
Yes, 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 sir. अगर इसी को change unknown में करना है, if I have to convert this same question with change unknown, the same question I have framed is Aman has 4 toffees with him. His father gave him some toffees so that he has 7 toffees now. How many toffees his father gave him? So in this case, change is not known to us. And start unknown. In this, Aman has some toffees. His father gave him 3 more toffees. Now he has 7 toffees. इसमें starting को unknown रखा है. Starting is unknown. So the same question is now being taken with result unknown, change unknown, start unknown. Now the next one, separate. Separate में Meenu has 6 apples. She gave 3 to her friend. How many apples she have now? This will come under the category of result unknown. Starting में apples कितने थे we know. How much she gave, that also we know. Result was not known, so separate result unknown. Then the next part of the same question, change unknown. Meenu has 6 apples. She gave some of them to her friend and left with 3 apples. How many did she give to her friend? In this one, the starting is known and the last part, result is known. But the change is not known here. Now start unknown, the same question. Meenu has some apples. She gave 3 to her friend and now she left with 3. So इसमें starting को missing रखा गया है. How many apples she have initially? The next question comes under the category of part, whole. In a bag, there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. How many balls does the bag have? 5 blue balls हैं, 5 red balls, 7 blue balls. The whole is not known. In same question with a bit of modification, in a bag there are 12 balls in total, out of which 5 are red. Find the number of blue balls. Whole we know 12. One part is unknown here. The blue one part is not known here. Last one is compare. In compare section, we have a question. Ginny has 8 apples and John has 4 apples. How many more apples does Ginny have than John? Ginny's part we know, John's part we know, लेकिन difference कितना है that we don't know. Then compare set unknown. John has 4 apples. Ginny has 4 more apples than John. How many apples does Ginny have? In the last one, reference set unknown. Ginny has 8 apples. She has 4 apples. There's something is I think from my side, some typing mistake is there. Ginny has 8 apples. She has 4 apples than John. It may be 4 more apples than John. How many more apples does John have? Now the next one is student strategy. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मैम स्टूडेंट की जो स्ट्रेटेजी होगी, मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजी ही कैन यूज, बट कुछ स्ट्रेटेजीज इसमें हमने डिस्कस की हैं. इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, yes, Aman has 4 toffees with him. His father gave him 3 more toffees. How many toffees he have now? So now maybe student can use some colors or he can use some kind of figures. So he can draw 4 toffees जो मेरे पास पहले थी, which I have. Then 3 toffees of different colors which his father gave him, and then he can count them all. That 4 I have, उसको red से उसने दिखा दिया. Then 3 father ने दी, उसको green color से दिखा दिया. And then he can totally know कि मेरे पास इतनी टॉफी हो गई. Then strategy 2 can be counting method. वो simply fingers पे count करके भी पता लगा सकता है. So these are 2 strategies for first question. Now next slide, and I would like to invite Sanjeev sir to take over other slides. Sanjeev sir, please.
Thank you very much, madam.
Okay.
Respected TP Rao sir, Director JEET Mumbai, Madam Aloka, Preeti Deswal madam also. First of all, thanks a lot to Preeti madam for giving me an opportunity to share my views regarding this topic. And this session is very interactive and interesting for me. And now I want to explain slide number 6. You can see on the screen, Meenu has 6 apples. She gave 3 to her friend. How many apples are left with her now? This is basically problem type is separate because operation of subtraction is included in this question. That's why we may count this in problem type separate, and the result is unknown for us, and change is known. And in this method, to solve this question, we may solve this problem through 2 methods. First, we may use some figures. In this slide, we are able to see apples picture, but students may use figure of circle or figure of simply triangle also. And now, in this way, they can count 6 figures, and then they make rows 3 figures, and after that how many figures are left out, they can count again. In the similar way, they may use back counting method also. In next slide, we can see in a bag there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. How many balls are there in a bag? In this question, you can see operation of addition, because how many balls are there in the bag? Operation of addition is there in this statement. That's why problem type is part whole, because two different parts students will count. First he will count 5 red balls, then he will count 7 blue balls, then all together. In this way, I think it is a part whole example, and result and change both are unknown to students. In next slide, you can read the problem statement. Ginny has 8 apples and John has 4 apples. How many more apples does Ginny have than John? In this statement, you can see students have to compare two different quantity of two different people, Ginny and John. That's why problem type is compare. Result is unknown in this statement because addition operation, because students will compare different objects with two people, and change is known. Students, so students can cross in this way. Then he may count left out red apples which have with Ginny. Now in next slide we can see a problem. Aman has 4 toffees with him. His father give him 3 more toffees. How many toffees he have now? In this problem we can see because addition operation is there, that's why in this statement problem type is join. Result is unknown to us and change is known to us. Am I audible, madam?
Sir, please continue, sir. Quick. Please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next, in next statement, you can see Meenu has 6 apples. She gave 3 to her friend. How many apples are left with her now? In this question, because subtraction operation is there, that's why problem type we can see in this statement. Problem type is separate. Result is unknown for us and change is known. In next statement, in a bag there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. How many balls are there in the bag? In a bag there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls. Addition operation is there, but two types objects students will count separately. That's why it is an example of part whole, and change and result both are unknown to students. Next statement, Ginny has 8 apples and John has 4 apples. How many more apples does Ginny have than John? In this statement, you can see a student will compare a number of objects available with 2 people, that is Ginny and John. And that's why it is an example of compare, and change is known, but result is unknown to students. And here are some examples from textbook which we have taken from class 1 textbook. You can see problem type is mentioned in the left side column. First we have taken example of joining, then example of separation, and then example of part whole. This all was from our side. Thank you very much. I am eagerly waiting for the comment of Shloka Madam and other participants and respected directors also.
Thank you, sir. You can stop your presentation. Aloka Madam, your final comments, please.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjeev sir and Preeti ma'am. That particular table where you made different cases of using the same context was a very good idea. I mean, I think that is one place where this whole different meanings come out very well if you do that exercise. So I would suggest actually that all of you, before you actually go for a training, you can actually take four different problems and then do it for different types. So take one joint problem and then make it into same problem in result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. So the same problem, the way I show the table that I sent you, the photograph that I sent you, right? I think that's a good idea. That's a good exercise, and I think that is one exercise which will actually help you also differentiate. So if there's a problem and you have a confusion how to do it, I think the best is to actually try to make different types. I think that will actually that's what I realized today. Am I clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
कोई है
And
जो
that will give the opportunities to student now.
Yeah, Seema ma'am.
Ma'am, that is the thing which will give the students the opportunities time. उसको दिमाग लगाना और opportunity का time मिलेगा. That was the same thing which I was telling in the morning. And it's a very good thing for the students. Then only they can create and do and experience them and come to the conclusion. Thank you, Aloka ma'am, for such wonderful sessions and suggestions. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. So no, I was saying was that and you have a confusion about which type it is. Say you think it is a joint problem. Use it and try to make it into change unknown, result unknown, and starting unknown. See whether you can actually do. In most cases, if it is not a joint problem, you will not be able to do it. The way we saw in Ram's mother and Ram's father problem, you can't do it as result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. So that's a good idea. I mean, I'm saying this because you are going to go and be master trainers. So that is one good thing to do. So I'm also sharing my email ID because if any of you has a doubt later, you can also write. And I'll try to get a copy of this book, of this chapter at least. Share it with you. Sir, actually, I just it's not like in the way you look at fractions that we are looking at this in this case. I'll look at it as fractions also, because say in fractions, for example, I have fruits and bananas, right? Number of apples in fact as a fraction. The fraction. I don't know why. What is the problem in looking at it as part? And this part whole will actually can. You're not looking at it as a fraction. You're looking at it as an addition subtraction, which is completely different. Looking at it as but yeah, it is a fraction. Why is it not a fraction? Don't we give these problems to children as fractions? I have blue balloons and red balloons. And some of them are blue balloons. Some of them are red balloons or whatever. I mean, we give this problem. It's possible, but yeah, maybe I didn't understand your question. So,
madam, your voice is breaking actually. Aloka madam.
Yeah, fine. So, and I've already shared my email ID. Yeah,
okay.
Srinivas sir.
Okay, I think your voice is breaking. Can we conclude, madam?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, you couldn't hear what I said up till now? Achha, so okay.
No,
so thank you very much.
Little bit disturbance was there. Little bit disturbance was there.
Okay. Now
voice was
is
breaking.
now is it better?
Now it is better now.
Now is it better?
Yes, madam, it is better.
Okay. So, okay, thank you very much. And I have already taken a lot of your time. So I'll take your leave. If any of you has any comments to